Okay, yeah, I removed the Springform Cake pan a second ago and showed you that. And I just forgot that I should probably show you, now that the concrete is formed well, it's not 100% hardened yet. So it is recommended that you cure it for a few days, keep it moist so that whatever mineralization is occurring within the concrete continues to do so. This one's been being cured for a while, so if I reuse this bag, open this up, and I actually paint these to say how long it's been curing. So this one has been July 7th, 2019, using Saccrete brand crack resist fiber and steel wire reinforcing. This was my 7th try. So I've been doing a kind of scientific method on these, but this one's been on its, been curing since the 7th, and now it is like the 14th of 7 days later. So it should be pretty strong now. What I'll do is I'll paint it with all that information before I put it in the bag, but I'm sure you don't want to see me do that. So I'm gonna moisten a rag, keep it in there. Like if I moisten, I might spray it with a garden hose, or I might just go like this. And then put it in with it. Now I don't know if I'm doing it right. I'm not a professional concrete guy, but at the same time, I don't need to be. It's just weights, right? Then I cover it with a tarp to keep the heat off of it. Like that. I tie this bag like so. And just leave it for 3 or 4 days, I guess. That's what I did. I left it for about 3 or 4 days. And so out in the heat, it doesn't matter because you've put it in a plastic bag, and then you end up with a result like this. And good luck with that. Sometimes you get the hole in here, but all you have to do is punch that out. And good to go. Ready to go on a standard 1-inch barbell.